Chevy. Is this a Chevy?
I don't think so. This is the old F-150, the 80, with the 351 modified. I get the pleasure of taking this old hog to work today. It turned on by itself. I forgot to hold in the brake and it just kind of went. I think I popped it in gear and it wasn't geared, so it popped in gear and then engine took off. That's pretty funny. What a good truck. Alright, well, I'm off to work. That darn truck didn't start today. I gotta throw the batteries on the charger when I get home. Well, it set for 2 days and then I got real cold. Now it's running good. Buckle up here. Alright, where are the windshield wipers? Here they are. Those are busted windshield wipers. It's kind of neat. Oil temp, oil pressure. Make sure it's in 2. Alright, I'm off. Oh, wait. The brake. Yep, take the brake off. Woo, can't see. That's stupid of me. But I'm already late, so I'm taking off. Alright, guys. I need both hands, so this is where I part ways. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.